What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this particular Lotus Eletre S that we have right in front of us here today. As you can see, the color of this car is in stellar black. It looks absolutely beautiful. Let's check out from the left side the daytime running lights that we have right here, and let's also notice the amazing opening that we have for the front bumper on the left here. Your main LED headlights are located right here, but right now it's turned off. Later we will turn it on. Let's check out the badging. The Lotus badging in yellow and black. You also have some cars with the black and silver. Amazing color. Stellar black is a metallic color, so it looks absolutely beautiful. These air vents at the bottom, they actually open up for cooling purposes for the battery, and that's where your number plate goes. You got some opening up here and also here. As you can see, it goes straight up to the top part of the hood that you can see right here. So check that out. The opening down there, right, was exactly from here. So very nice indeed. So camera, you got your camera located right here front. You also have tons of cameras all over the car. Sensors are in the circle dots all over the place right here, and also at the side. Black gloss finish at the bottom piece for the bumper, including the center right here. Now there are some cars that also will come with the carbon fiber option. Totally up to you to package it that way. Now let's move on to the top part of the car. They have this piece also in this gloss black finish, which also can be in carbon fiber. Some cars have it. In this case, it's designed beautifully to be in this full blacked out spec. Amazing. Check out the sides, all over the wheel arch, also in black as well. Beautiful. Now let's look at the tires and the wheels. These are 22-inch 10-spoke gloss black wheels. Calipers are in 6-spot calipers in red color. Got some yellow badging right here. Drill disc brakes, stunning, beautiful design. Let's check out the tire size. It's 275 40 R22. Again, 275 40 R22. That's for the front wheels. Now let's move on to the charging side. Now, if you press onto this, charging cap opens, AC, DC. Close that back again. Let's go back down. This car can do up to 22 kilowatts for the AC, 350 kilowatts for the DC. And this is your opening for the LiDAR, but in Malaysia it's not really ready yet. So it's blacked out like that. Amazing. Some colors will also be in different colors, will follow, but that's where the LiDAR is located. But as for this spec, it's just a casing. It doesn't come with that spec. We got the camera facing over to the other side. We also have some cameras up here as well, and also here. So there's 1, 2, 3 cameras. There's an opening right here for air to flow out of the wheel arch out here. Got your S badging because it's the Eletre S. The gloss black finish at the bottom here continues all the way from the front all the way down to the back. Now let's open up the doors. When you lock the cars, the handles go in. Let's open up the doors, check out the inside. This right here is a Magnetite interior. So you get your KEF audio sound system, 23 speakers in the car, beautiful Dolby sound. You got some gold finishes, touches, window wind down for your door opening. Manual door, handle to open. This is the electronic one. Stitching are in grey. You got some leather finishes in grey. You got this suede finish right here, beautiful. Leather again. The car is designed in such a way that it looks really luxurious. KEF audio sound system speakers right here. Eletre plates that light up when you open up the doors. Opening up the front hood is this, which we'll do later. But check out the interior seats. Gold finishing here and there for you to move your seats. Grey stitching together with the, some fabric here together with some grey. Leather all over the place. Got some gold finishes here and there. ACBC wording right on the seats. I'm not sure if you're able to see that, but yeah, you can see right here, right? Yep, it's right there. So cool. Stitching is great. Now these are massage seats, so they actually come with these two linings at the side, right? So comfort seats, they have massage for the two front seats. Now let's take a seat and feel what is it like to be sitting at the front here. Now I'm sitting comfortably without even adjusting anything just yet. But yeah, check it out. This is how comfortable I am sitting without even adjusting anything just yet. It looks already beautiful. So check out the leather piece that we have right here. I love how this thing just looks, you know, super sleek. It angles out like this. Your screen is right here, your aircon is right there. You got some ACBC wording, lettering right here. To open up the glove compartment, there's no buttons whatsoever here, but it's located here. So if I press this, check that out, opens up, close back. That's how you open it. And centerpiece, amazing cup holders that we have right here, different sizes, totally up to you. Wireless charging for your phone together with your key card, you can put it here. The screen is beautiful, angled straight for the passenger and the driver to take a look. Now let's check out how I'm sitting here. The roof is a Alcantara suede finish whole roof. You have some cars with the glass roof, but in this case this is like that, and it's just nice for Malaysian weather. So you also have your vanity mirror. You have some stuff happening right here. The finishing of this leather, guys, beautiful. Super sleek, super solid, awesome. Frameless center rear view mirror. You got some light adjustments right here. You tap on it and then you tap on that. I love how it just stunning. Very, very nice. So speaker down here. There's some cars with the compartment storage, but in this case there's a speaker located right down there. Now let's get down and let's move on to the side of the door here. Let me show you something which I like, which is this. It has the 1948 wording right here because, I mean, how to say, Lotus was founded in 1948. ACBC is the founder's name, Anthony Colin Bruce Chapman. Amazing. Let's check out the rear seats. Now, I have not adjusted the front seat earlier, but it was exactly comfortable and just nice for me. Now, before we get into the rear seats, KEF audio sound system here. We got it right here. Manual handles for the door, electronic ones, window to wind down for your side here, including that side over there. You can choose it to do it here. Eletre wording lights up, leather all over the place. You got some leather finishes on the seats as well as some different kind of fabric that we have going on. Gold touches here, ACBC wording right there, air vents right here. Now check out the legroom, guys. Check out the legroom. So much of space, guys. Damn, amazing. Now I can even lower down the rear seats if I wish to. You know, this part right here, the whole back piece can go a little bit back or forward depending on how comfortable you want to sit. Check it out, sitting right at the left side right here. Let's close the doors. Soft close doors are also available for this, which I will show it to you in a while more. But yeah, bring up the doors. Cool. Let's move to the center. That's how I sit comfortably right here right now. Check out the center piece. Look at that. It's how it's leveled. Yeah. Every car is designed beautifully in their own way. But yeah, you get your screen at the back here, control. Your air flows from here. You can adjust the aircon from the screen right here. And let's move on to the other side. Same thing, sitting right behind the driver's seat. Beautiful. Let's open up the doors. Soft close doors. Amazing. Open up the doors again. So let's get down. Now let's open up the rear boot to show you guys the boots first before we talk about the back. So storage space, amazing. Check it out. Beautiful storage space, guys. The amount of golf sets that you can keep here if you were to bring this car for golf, amazing. Now your charging place, you can keep some other stuff here to charge. You can lower down the height of the car. This whole thing you can actually pull off if you wish to. Pull it out, turn it the other way around so you can keep more stuff, higher boxes here and there. The seats are foldable to be put down. Let me show it to you. Put this down. Check it out. That amount of space that you have, you can load more and more stuff in without this also in. You can do that. Now let's close the boot right here. Check it out. the lights, and then it just turns on in a while more. There you go, beautiful. Lotus in chrome, okay, beautiful. You also have some openings here for the air to flow from the rear wheels, same also over here, beautiful. Carbon fiber spoiler, and the beautiful part is that it's a spoiler and a wing together, so the wing pops up, which I'll show it to you in a while more. But check out the rear diffuser, blacked out finish all over the place, stunning. So now let's move on to the driver's side. Driver's side we sit in. Sport pedals are right underneath here. Sport pedals where you can look at it beautifully where your feet goes, looks very nice. Steering wheel is designed in such a way that it's very angular, having a lot of different angles. Flat bottom is my favorite. You got your regen braking on your left side right here. You got your drive mode on your right side right here. You have your wiper adjustments right here together with your trip. You also get your light adjustments together with your signal. Cruise control together with the distance of you and the front car. Volume up and volume down together with your voice command and your favorite button. And of course the horn is the horn. Your meters are basically here or either in the head-up display that's located right there. Center screen again. Now there are tons of different settings that you can choose from, and this car also comes with the parking pack as well, so 360 camera. And then you get to see the parking pack right here. Swipe it down. Beautiful. Cup holders. Push it all the way in. Look at that. Amazing. Open the center glove compartment. Type-C charging, 2 of it. Amazing. Drive, reverse, P, aircon adjustments. Fan is located here, I mean where the wind blows out from. Speaker again down here. Fan blows out from here. AC/BC. Check out the comfort that I'm sitting in right now. Beautiful. Ignore the seat at the back, we'll put it up later. But yeah, you get your mirrors right here. Beautiful. Get your own bar to hold your handle up here, even over there as well. Even over there as well. So all over the place, you got your KEF sound system speakers all over the place, guys. All over the place. So let's check out the rear wing. Right now it's down, right? So let's move it slightly up. So we rotate, tap, touch the rear spoiler, tap into P2. Check it out, guys. That is beautiful. So the faster you drive, it goes up. You got your spoiler in carbon fiber. This whole piece is a beautiful wing, guys. Beautiful wing. Looks damn aggressive. Super aggressive, super striking, super futuristic. Looks like this car is about to take flight, man. Really looks like this car is about to take flight. Like for no reason, this car will start flying. Now let's check out the front hood. What's located at the front? Mirrors, you have an option to go for cameras, but that's not for this car. Right here. Open up on the left side. Lift the whole thing back up. Now check out how clean the setup is. Super clean, not much of wiring going on, not much of things going on. Why? Because it's an EV car. Handle right here, pull it up. Check it out. This is where your cable is located. Maybe you can keep some shoes, some other stuff that are dry. This is where your cable is located. Maybe some stuff here you can put. But again, you know, we're not going to open it because it's brand new. Check it out. Beautiful. Windshield washer located right there. Beautiful design, guys. So once again, guys, if you'd like to find out more about Lotus Eletre S or any other models that they have so many other models here, do head down to Glenmarie or either at Pavilion Damansara Heights, where you can locate the showroom and speak to the sales people to find out more about Lotus cars. So again, Stella Black, exterior, yellow badging. You got a 22-inch wheel with red calipers with solid, no, not solid disc brake, but drill disc brakes. And also you have your Magnetite interior with comfort seats, massage seats. Stunning. The parking pack is available. The rear wing can deploy like this. Beautiful place. So many other cars are available, guys, for you to take a look at. So amazing. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.